Today we have come to Shobha Town Park, so let's see a model flat. It's pretty big, 100 acres of land. एकदम होसूर रोड के ऊपर है, just near the Atibele junction and 3 kilometers from the Tamil Nadu border. और ये आपका there are 4 major areas out of which 2 आपका already book हो चुका है, and the rest 2 which is Madison Heights and Shobha Hamptons, इसके लिए अभी booking open हुआ है. So this is what you see, the tower is going to get delivered next year. ये देखिए, ये मैं कह रहा था 44 floors and it is going to get delivered next year. अभी देखें यहाँ पे, as I said, एक तरफ आपका मैडिसन हाइट्स है, एक तरफ आपका शोभा हैम्पटन्स है, and we have 3 clubhouses. There is a clubhouse for Madison Heights, there is a clubhouse for Hamptons, and there is a clubhouse with the cricket pitch, and there are 2 swimming pools. वीडियो का एंड में आपको बताऊंगा the pros and cons of this. So let's see this model flat, 3 BHK 3 toilet model flat. ये आपका 1856 स्क्वायर फीट है and 2.55 crores इसका प्राइस है एक्सक्लूडिंग रजिस्ट्रेशन. दिस इज़ द लिविंग and the dining room with a balcony. The living and the dining room is 12.5 by 24 feet. The balcony is 12.5 by 5 feet, and there is another space here which is almost 9 by 9. Now this is the first bedroom, जो आपका है 11 by 13 almost, with beautiful French windows. And we have an attached bathroom of 5 by 8. This is the size of all the bathrooms. The fittings, the tiles are pretty good. On the other side of the living room there are 2 bedrooms and this outside bathroom. और ये आपका गेस्ट बेडरूम है जो 12 by 11 का है. अगेन गुड साइज. ये आपका मास्टर बेड है which is 14 by 11 with a balcony. Balcony आपका 11 by 3.5 feet है. आपको width कम है balcony का, and an attached bath. There is of course कोई walk-in closet नहीं है, even if this is an 1856 square feet. अभी आप किचन देखो, किचन काफ़ी स्क्वायरिश है, and there is ample space for workstations and your gadgets, and then there is a utility which is also pretty big. Kitchen आपका 8 by 10 का है, 10.5. तो if I talk about the pros, तो ये this is a very big property on 100 acres. So now Madison Heights and Hamptons जो हमें आपको दिखाया, that is on 33 acres. Rest are sold out. And on this 33 acres there are 2,100 flats to be constructed. Floor rise will be 44 floors. और 11 acres of open space रहेगा, which is very nice. And the cricket stadium, they say it will be as big as Chinnaswamy, but it will not be for commercial. It will be for the use of the residents. So I don't know ये क्या purpose serve करेगा. Then एक और बहुत interesting thing is that a mall is coming up, which is of 5 lakh square feet and with all good brands, and the multiplexes will be there. Or being Shobha, construction quality is top notch, and this looks like a super luxury project. Now अगर अभी वी टॉक अबाउट कॉन्स, सो currently the rate per square feet is 12,000, जो in itself is very high to start with. और even a 2 BHK flat is around 1.8 crore. तो scope of appreciation from here will not be that much, and if we are paying this hefty amount of money, it seems it will be more of a self stay, और आपका रेंटल से उतना रिटर्न ऑफ इनकम नहीं दिखेगा, बिकॉज द इन्वेस्टमेंट इटसेल्फ इज वेरी हाई. नाउ द अदर कॉन इज दैट ये आपका एकदम फैग एंड ऑफ बैंगलोर है. सो वी आर जस्ट टचिंग तमिलनाडु बॉर्डर विद इन 3 kilometers. बोमेसंद्रा मेट्रो, विच इज़ द लास्ट constructed metro station as of now, ये आपका is around 7 kilometers from the property. So it seems that it should not take much time to reach the metro station from the property, but on reality it took us a lot of time today, traversing from the metro station to the property and from the property to the metro station because of very heavy traffic. And if I may say that from the property to Electronic City Toll Plaza हमें 30 minutes लग गया. So this will be a pain, every day, going to office, coming back from office, I feel so. So बस यही है, बाकी आप जाके एक बार चेकआउट कर लो. आज बस इतना ही. वीडियो को अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए. Till next time, stay safe, be happy, and bye-bye.